Alright, I seen this seatbelt dinger video, and let's see if this stuff actually works. So they say engine off, click in your seatbelt, do not put the foot on your brake, and put it to run. And no foot on the brake, so it didn't start. Then you're supposed to unclick this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we turn it off. Now, that's supposed to reset it or some baloney. Let's see if it is baloney or not. Alright. So now we're supposed to be able to unbuckle it. And let's see if it works. Alright, it beeped a few times. There's no seatbelt. Let's do a little spin here real quick. So it still shows no seatbelt, and I'm not wearing a seatbelt. But it's not beeping, it works. It's not baloney. Pretty good. That's nice. Especially when you're crawling, because that's a pain in the butt. Alright, well, there you go. You still get the visual without the visual indicator there, without the beeping. And that is not a myth. Is what do they say? If it's not busted, it's not a myth. It's true. So that's pretty cool. It works. Huh, nice. I thought it was going to be one of those. Made you try it. But it does work. So I'm glad I tried it. Alright, you guys try it too if you are annoyed by the beeping seat belt when you're crawling around on a dirt road doing 2 miles an hour.